Okay, here's a scenario that a lot of drivers in Iowa don't realize can quietly turn into a financial problem. Someone buys car insurance, sees that Iowa's minimum requirements are pretty reasonable, and thinks, all right, I'm covered. But are they actually protected if something serious happens?
Most of the time, no. Iowa requires 20, 40, 15 liability limits, which keeps you legal, but those numbers don't stretch very far in the real-world accident. One injury claim alone can eke you that coverage quickly.
And Iowa is an at-fault state, which changes everything.
Exactly. If you cause the accident, you're financially responsible. Once your policy limits are reached, the remaining costs don't disappear. They become your problem. Medical bills, lost wages, vehicle repairs, even potential legal costs.
So someone can do everything right, follow the law, and still end up exposed.
That's the trap. Minimum coverage protects your license and not your finances. And it's even riskier when you factor in uninsured and underinsured drivers.
Which a lot of people don't realize is still an issue in Iowa, especially outside major cities.
Exactly. In more rural areas, uninsured drivers are more common than people expect. If someone without insurance hits you, uninsured motorist coverage is what steps in to protect you.
Without it, you're stuck paying for someone else's mistake.
Right. And here's the part that surprises most drivers. Upgrading coverage in Iowa is often much more affordable than they think. Raising liability limits or adding uninsured motorist protection usually costs far less than the financial risk it protects against.
So the real mistake isn't buying insurance, it's assuming the minimum is enough.
Exactly. The smartest move is comparing carriers that price Iowa drivers competitively and let you customize coverage instead of locking you into the bare minimum.
Don't wait until after an accident to find out your coverage came up short. Click our quote button to compare Iowa car insurance options that actually protect you.
Close the gap and protect your finances. That's the cheapinsurance.com difference.